Hello everyone, I'm Yuichiro Kuno. Today I want to introduce the tilling machine. I'm from the provincial town in Saga, and my father is a farmer with a side job. So I selected this topic. This topic is the outline. I divided this topic to six parts. Firstly, I want to explain the background of tilling machine. Tilling means an operation to create an appropriate soil environment for plant growth. Tilling is an extremely important part of farming work in order to achieve stable yield. But it is very hard to till by hand. So in 1892, the first tilling machine was invented in America. In Japan, the popularization of tilling machine was in 1950s, and then Japanese makers Kubota and Shibaura developed Japanese tilling machine. Thanks to the invention of tilling machine, it is very easy to till soil and to engage in farming work. Secondly, I want to explain the objective of tilling machine. The objective is to create an appropriate soil environment. So, tilling machine has three important operations: to pull, implement, and transmit power, and to apply a cutting force or a shear force, and to shift and turn and agitate soil growth. Thanks to those operations, it is possible to achieve that objective. Thirdly, I want to explain main materials and devices of tilling machine. First is a tractor. Tractor has a big power force enough to pull the implement, plow or rotary. Tractor has a big power force, and tractor transmits power to the implement in order to rotate rotary blades. Next is PTO. PTO is abbreviation of power take-off. PTO takes out power from tractor, and PTO has risks that cause fatal accidents. So usually PTO is covered with solid cover. Next is three-point linkage hinge. Three-point linkage hinge system lifts the rotary up and down. Last devices are plow and rotary. Plow and rotary are the implements that till the soil. Plow and rotary are alike, but there are differences between those implements. In detail, I want to explain later. Firstly, I want to explain methods of tilling. First is plowing. This animation is an easy process of plowing. Firstly, tractor pulls a plow. Thereby, the plow turns soil in the ground, and soil are brought up to the surface. And soil is broken up by metal plates. Please look figures. There are different plows that have different metal plates. Those plows have different use. Figure 1 is to crush and to turn all soil layers. Figure 2 is to adjust to various conditions. and figure 3 is to crush a specific part of soil layers. Next is rotary tilling. This animation is an easy process of rotary tilling. Rotary tilling is performed by rotary blades, and rotary blades are rotated by the power transmitted from the PTO of tractor. There are two types of rotary machine. One is walking type rotary tiller. Walking type rotary tiller is usually bicycle tractor with a rotary. Like left figure, a farmer operates the rotary machine at the back of it. Another is rotary tiller of tractor. In this rotary tiller, rotary connects to the tractor by 3-point hitch, and the height of blades is controlled by three-point hinge system. Thus, plow and rotary are alike but different. Finally, I express the conclusion. Main objective of a tilling machine is to create an appropriate soil environment. There are many materials and devices. Many main differences between plow and rotary is the system of tilling. In plowing, the tractor pulls a plow and the plow brings up soil to the surface and breaks up soil. In rotary tilling, the tractor transmits power to rotary and rotary blades rotate to till. That's all. Thank you for attention. Thank you for your attention.
Any question? Any comment? Why does Yuichiro have risks?
That's why part of body or clothes are caught in PTO.
Thank you. Any other comment? Have you ever seen plowing in Japan or in Taiwan or Asian countries?
I don't know.
How do they choose plow or tilling rotary? You are farmer's son. You are farmer's son.
Rotary. Rotary. I think my father used rotary.
Why do you use rotary? Rotary tilling?
My farmland is narrow. So rotary tilling adjusts to narrow farmland.
Why? Why narrow one? Good for narrow one. Rotary is good for narrow field.
Move quickly, and it is easy to move narrow land.
plow doesn't work well on narrow land.
Plow is
plow works soil turnover. Then tilling is that's rotary is rotating. That's some braids, many braids. Then rotate. That means mix. So, which is better for your field. Your field. Rotary is better. Why rotary is better? Mixed is better for you.
I don't know.
You don't know, but you selected the rotary blade. No problem. Yeah, actually, plowing at a very fast speed in the US or European countries is very common because they have a much land, very big land. Japan has actually, Japan is saying the country that one field is very small. Of course, plowing possible, but more soft soils and more mixed would be better. Though of course, rotary can apply to the big land, but take a long time. So they don't do the so many times the rotary. But here, probably we can choose even plow or rotary or any other blade. We know we have the another big, some round shaped blade. They call the some power disc or something like that instead of the rotary or plow. Anyway, we have several ways for tilling. The advantages of that the rotary is mixed and soft. Probably the reason if you choose. Any
Thank you. Do you know which one will need bigger power between plowing and rotary?
I think plow has more power.
Why?
Rotary is rotary blades rotate, so blades have not so big, not big power. Rotary is plow is metal plates. Metal plates till surface soil. The metal plates sorry, I can't explain.
Yeah, actually, your answer is right because plowing usually depend on the depth of the soil that you want to turn over. That's why plowing usually need big power. The bigger, the deeper the soil you want to turn over, you need bigger power. But rotary usually only on the surface.
Any other comments?
Can you describe the soil preparation for a typical rice cycle? Before you plant the rice and you harvest it, and then what do you do? What is the typical soil preparation for rice?
それのワン
What is the common way they prepare soil for planting of rice, and when the rice is harvested, what do they do with the soil after the harvest?
You are farmer, son. You know.
それから
Oh, you don't. You should know, but you don't know English explanation. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If Yang Kun has anything suggestion for him. Okay. Yes. Fine. Okay. I wish you practice the English conversation. It will be much better. Okay, thank you very much.